So I drilled the frame out and I took the wrong, I took a weak, really weak, like a drill bit, and guess what? It got stuck right there, so I gotta hammer it out. And I got a little more to drill out, and this piece, me and my dad pulled it out, and a little more, and this should come off. And then we'll see what we'll have to do next. It's kind of hard, but because, you know, it's a lot of physical work. You get tired pretty quick drilling every single hole here. And then I gotta put the car down and then drill the remaining screws and bolts or holes. And yeah, so far so good. It's looking amazing. Good morning, everyone. Today is another video of my 2019 Corolla SE Sport. I got it from auction, and after like a month and a half at the body shop, because a lot of people want their car done, so you have to wait in line. I finally got the car done. That body shop finished it, and they did an amazing job. So the fender was kind of scratched up here. The two doors were damaged because it's been hit on the right side, and the core panel we changed. We painted the doors. I put the original keyless door handle back. We installed new wheels on it. I looked through all the wheels, all the brands, and I found the best one, American Eagle. Real nice wheels. Some wheels that came with aftermarket wheels, and I couldn't find the wheels because they're out of stock and you can't reach the company, so I decided to put these wheels. They're really nice and black and shiny. They just finished the car. Now, this one has the adaptive cruise control and the LED headlights and daytime running lights. This blue color looks very beautiful. And also, what I did was I put sound deadening inside the whole car, so when you touch it, you could barely hear anything. It's so cool. It's gonna be like an S-Class, very quiet. And I did on the roof too. I'm still not done though. It's amazing. Now let me show you the inside. Like with the sound deadening and with the carpet, it's gonna be very quiet, and it won't feel like you can't, like Corollas or like some cars you drive and it's like so loud in the inside and you can't hear it or play music or talk, and it just gives you a headache. But with sound deadening, it does take away like 75% of the sound. And yeah, this is just the beginning of this car. I'm gonna put it together, make more videos for you guys, and after everything is done, I'm gonna do a full car review, and I'm gonna polish it, put ceramic wax on it, make it nice and shiny, and I can't wait to see how the car turns out. With God's help, we'll get it done. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and yeah, she's a beauty. Just a little sport chair for now because the seats are out. And also, I forgot to tell you guys, the rear axle is bent, so I got a new axle. So once I finish everything on the inside, the last part is we try to do alignment, because when I got the car I thought maybe it's just alignment, you know, but no, the axle, as you can see, it's bent. It's inside, it's tucked in, so I had to change the whole axle, and I'm gonna bring it back to alignment shop and we'll get it fixed. And yeah, I can't wait just to drive this car. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. May God bless you guys all. Take care. Welcome back to another video of my 2019 Toyota Corolla rebuild process, and I just picked up my airbag, my current airbag, because the other one I got was for an older year, 2016 and 2017, no, 2014, 2016. but my car is from 17 to 19. So I finally picked it up. It came in the mail, and I'm going to be putting it on the right side, and you guys will see how it goes. I just installed the current airbag. I put everything in. Now I'm gonna clean everything up here on the bottom, and that's my grandpa helping me. And I'm gonna put the carpet in, and then I'm gonna have to do the headliner first. Headliner first. Everything goes in, then I put the interior slowly. With God's help, we'll put everything piece by piece back together, and we'll look like a brand new car. So I just finished putting the carpet in. As you can see, it looks very nice. I have to put the headliner in, and then I can put slowly everything in the whole interior back how it's supposed to be. So yeah, it turns out good. I'm really happy with it. I can't wait to see how it's gonna drive it. The sound deadening plus the carpet plus everything in the whole interior back, it's gonna sound very quiet. So stay tuned. This one also has a sunroof, which is cool. Nice option. As you guys can see, we put in the headliner in. I installed it, and I took the module out to get it fixed, to turn off all the airbag lights and make everything perfect and nice and new again. And then I'm gonna have to put all the moldings back, plastic, seat belts, but before I put the console in, I gotta wait for the module to get done. But I can slowly put all the plastics back, the A-pillar, the side, the back, and leave the seats alone because I still have to fix the rear axles. But I could still put everything back in, so I'm gonna have to wait. Once that's done, car's complete and ready to go. It's been a long process. I had to fix the roof too. It looks like I installed like original material on it, so it's gonna look like OEM, like it never happened. So stay tuned, guys. Gotta get the module fixed, put it back, and then slowly put the interior back together. And yeah. Also, sorry if my voice is kind of raspy. I wasn't feeling well today, so but I still never give up. Still gonna make a video for you guys, and now it's about time to keep posting and not giving up. Because in life, you go further places with God's help, and if you don't give up, you know, it's worth it. Just keep on going forward, no matter how hard it may feel or seem. You guys got this. My sensor. So I picked up my airbag sensor, and everything is good. I put it back so far. I put the console back. Gotta put these plastics in. I'm gonna put the front seats in. I'm gonna put the headliner molding back, and it's coming along pretty well. It's just like you don't do the car for a long time, and you know where everything is, but it's like, you know, it takes a minute to figure everything out. But with God's help, we got this. And after that, I'm gonna change the new axle in the back. I'm gonna put the inside, interior, everything first, and then we're gonna finish the back alignment, and she's good to go. But yeah, a lot of stuff here, clips, and as you can see, I put new airbag. I fixed it. I'm gonna put the car back on. Got the hungries right here, and I'm gonna fix the seat, put it back, and then put the interior back. It has really nice blue stitching though. Really nice option on this Corolla with the blue piping. Beautiful spec. So the interior is almost fully complete. I just have to put back seats, but first I gotta take everything off, so we gotta fix the axle. I'm taking everything off here in the trunk, spare tire, and I'm gonna put sound deadening that's left over. And as you can see, it's looking and coming along very beautiful. I washed the carpets, but I'm gonna make a full detail soon on it, polish it. That's after everything's complete. I'm just doing like a quick wash here and there, make it look clean. And as you can see, she's shiny. Looks like a brand new car. There's some marks here I gotta take off. Wants to do more deep cleaning. I gotta take these plastics off, and I'll get access to the axle right there, the bolt. So as you can see, there's one bolt and there's one more there. So yeah, everything good to go. I'm gonna put her in the garage and put a lift, safety first, and we'll get her done. So I took all the panels off, and I took the clips off. As you can see, it has access to everything. I'm gonna put sound deadening here, the trunk. Just how much I have left over, and I'll buy some more. But it has access to the bolts here for the axle, and got it right here. I'm gonna have to wash it up a little bit, make it look good, and then switch it. So I lifted the car, I put safety jacks on there, and I started her up, let her warm up like for 10-15 minutes because it's sat here for a long time. And I put in jacks, and now I took the wheels off to get access to the axle and the suspension piece. And now it's time to take everything apart, put everything, my brake pads, everything from my car, and put on that new axle over there. So as you can see, it's bent, so gotta get it done, replace it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna take it apart, put a new axle on. One thing to mention, would be so funny if Corollas had like a big lift kit like this off the ground. It would be like a truck. It's nice. So I just took the rear axle off. So what I gotta do is take out this big bolt with key 22. It's right there, and then there's these two washer and on both sides, and a bolt for the suspension kit right here. Watch your fingers and take it off. So all you gotta do is take that off and that one, and do the same thing on the other side. And make sure you take all your wires off, your brake lines, everything. Make sure you put it in a safe place away, so when you put it down, there's a pinch them or break them. And to get a jack stand for safety, put it right in the middle, and then it'll all come off. And then put the new one. So I finally took the old axle out. As you can see, everything is off. There it is. Here it's a kind of bent from the accident. So here's a new one. I'm gonna take the old brake lines off and put a new one here. So we installed the new axle. As you can see, the wheels are more straight now. And when you guys will install a new axle, just make sure you guys tighten the bolts, put everything back how it is. Take pictures before and after. And I just finished right now putting the last piece of the puzzle of the sound ending, the whole back here. Also some left over here, and then I'm gonna put the cover back, and I'm gonna finish the car up. The back is full complete and ready to go. Everything back. Now it just back seats, and she's done. She's all complete. Axle has been changed. Everything has been put together. Interior trim, pieces, everything, seats. Now check out this beauty. She's gonna go on her first test drive. Let's
See, I'm gonna see how the axle is. So as you can see, it's more straight now, not as bent. And I'm gonna check out how it drives. I'm gonna wash it after, and we'll polish it, take the scratches out, make it look like new again. So yeah, really excited.